Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change your profile picture in the LinkedIn mobile application. So let us guide you through this. In the first step, launch the LinkedIn app, for example on your Android phone. Next, tap into your profile icon or photo here in the top left corner. After that, tap into that larger profile photo here in the top left corner to access your profile. And here guys, simply again tap into your profile photo. Now from that menu below, simply tap into view or edit profile photo. And last but not least, tap into update photo from that menu here at the bottom. And locate the image or photo on your device by tapping into upload from photos, or simply tap into take a photo to take a new photo, for example with your phone camera. And that's it. After that, your changes will be saved so that you may use your new profile photo here in your LinkedIn profile on the mobile app. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.